Welcome to this ValueMed product demonstration video. We're going to show you today the correct procedure for triggering one of these dual meter systems. This is the GK meter from On Call, and this is a combined glucose and ketone meter. Now we're just going to show you with the example ketone test strip that we've got in front of us here where the correct port or entry for your blood sample is once you've done the finger prick. So this is a ketone test strip, and the port or entry port is indicated by this black line that traverses the top part of the test strip. Now the blood sample actually has to be applied onto the narrow end portion of the test strip. The entry hole is at the end of that black line. So once you've done the finger prick, the sample gets applied to the end of the test strip, straight onto it, not on the flat surface, not on the undersurface. It goes onto the end. The blood will then travel down this entry port and trigger the test meter to function. Now when you put the meter and strip together, by simply entering the test strip into the meter will trigger the meter to come on. If you've set that up correctly, then that will be pre-programmed with time, dates and everything you need. The code chip for the correct set of meter strips needs to go into the side just once before you start using those tests, and then that will be remembered by the meter. It can be left in that port or it can be taken out and it coded for the corresponding on-call chosen test strips. But both of these strips, the entry for the blood sample is onto the end of the test strip on the very narrow end aspect, which I can just show you there. You can hardly see that port, but the blood sample goes onto the end just to confirm that, and then you will successfully trigger these meters and get your either your glucose or your ketone level within a couple of seconds.